Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video this is going to be a teenage makeup look. So I'm going to create a teenager makeup look using the basic makeup products. So yes, and basically we are going to start with the video. So this is going to be a simple makeup look for teenagers. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. So now let's start with the video. So for first we are going to use our sunscreen, and I can use my sunscreen first and then I will follow by a primer, which is actually a moisturizer, but yes, it gives a finished base to the overall makeup look. So for first we are going to use our sunscreen, and for sunscreen I am using the Dot and Key sunscreen, and this is really lightweight, so I would highly recommend this one. And this is not a sponsored video at all, so you can trust my opinions on these products that I'm going to use. So yes, so first I'm going to use the sunscreen. Okay, so now that we are done with our sunscreen, we are going to use a moisturizer. Actually, the next step is using a primer, but obviously if you're going to college and if you're a teenager, I wouldn't recommend a primer, guys. So I would recommend the moisturizer from Pond's. So this is the moisturizer, and it retails for around, I think, 400 rupees, and it's really good, and it just gives you a smooth finish to your overall makeup look, as I said. So I'm going to use this moisturizer as my primer. Okay, so now I am done with the moisturizer. So the next step is I am going to skip foundation and I'm going to directly jump into a concealer. I am not going to use foundation because I think foundation will be more way too much for a teenager, and I'm not saying you can't apply it, you can, but since this is a makeup tutorial for a teenager makeup look, and normally in some colleges and all they do not allow this, so I am going to keep it really basic and I'm going to use a concealer. Now for concealer I have two options here, so where's the other one? Okay, so there are two options here with me. One is the one from Insight, which is my favorite, and the other one is from Swiss Beauty. Today I'm going to go with Swiss Beauty, so let's go. I have the blender here with me and I'm going to quickly blend the concealer. Okay, so I am done with the concealer. You can see the concealer itself has given me like full coverage, and it has really worked really well actually. So now we are going to move ahead with the next step, which is the blush. So for blush I am going to use nude lipstick, which is from Swiss Beauty. I just love it, and it really has high it's actually highly pigmented is what I would say, and this I use as my lipstick as well as I use it as my blush sometimes, especially when I'm getting late. But then you can always use, this is like called Indian hack I would say, wherein you can use a lipstick as your blush. So I'm going to use this one from Swiss Beauty. And I am going to quickly blend it. Okay, so now I am done with my blush. So basically now the next step is using a mascara. So I am going to use this mascara from Maybelline La Classic Volume Express. So I'm going to use this mascara right now. So I am done with the mascara. Now it's time for our lipstick, which will play a very important role in our overall makeup look. So I am first going to use a lip liner. So okay, so I have used this lip liner, which is like, you know, just perfect, and this is from Swiss Beauty, and actually this retails just for ₹99. So, and also all the products that I'm using right now will be tagged in the description box below. Y'all can check them out, they are actually really affordable. So now the next step I am going to use here is lipstick that is from, now this one is from L18. Even during my college days, I think this lipstick was just really very famous and people used to use it. So again, it is highly in demand as well, and it is very affordable, so I would highly recommend this one. So okay, so now that I am done with my lipstick, I'm also going to use, you can like, you know, use a gloss over your lipstick to give a little bit plumpier effect to your lips. So I am going to use this lip gloss from Swiss Beauty again, and yeah. And it just gives a plump effect to your overall look, and it really good looks actually very good. So yes, this was my look, and do let me know in the comment section below how it is. And if you guys like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.